So here's a tricky Python code, and can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. So as you can see, we have two lists here, and here we are changing x of 0 equal to 99. So the correct output of this code is 99 and 2 and then again 99 and 2. Well, if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this is the code and here this is the list, and now let's understand from here. So y is currently 1 comma 2 and then again 1 comma 2. This is y currently, and x is already pointing to 1 comma 2, and here we just modified x of 0 equal to 99. That means instead of 1 here there will be 99, and since the y was pointing to x already and we modified first part of this x, that means the list would become 99 comma 2 and then again 99 comma 2, which was the output. This is also known as shared difference.